Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny, who's about to make something very cool. This is different.
This is a grandma recipe.
Love that.
This is potato, pepper, and egg hero. So we're gonna add a little olive oil to this pan right here. We're gonna add some thinly julienned onions to the pan. And because we're doing eggs, why not? Butter loves onions too. We are gonna season with salt and pepper. So our onions are getting a little soft. At that point, we're gonna add our peppers. All right, now we're just gonna rough chop these potatoes, all different shapes and sizes. Potatoes are gonna go in. Casserole pan. You can take this and you're just gonna butter the sides of it nice and nice. That's what you call a buttered pan. Eggs are going in the bowl. Pecorino romano, a little black pepper. We got our vegetables here. They're gonna go into the pan. Okay, then we're gonna pour our eggs right on top of this. That's ready to go into a 350-degree oven for like half an hour, 45 minutes. Look at that. So we get a nice hero bread over here. We're gonna make a little pocket. We're gonna put a little provolone. Go right in there like this. This is potato, pepper, and egg in all of its glory. There it is.
It's beautiful. So next time you go to the beach, make sure you make this. Head to our website, beachhealth.com. You'll find the recipe there. Thank you.
My pleasure as always.